Hello, good morning to all. Today in this video, we will discuss about how can we generate a form using a given database. So we had already discussed about in the previous chapter how can we insert a query into the database. So first we will know about what is the means of form. So form is an object in MS Access 2007 like table, queries and reports. A form is used to design interface for the user to enter or display data from a database. A form is nothing more than a graphical representation of a table. So mostly a form, it is a designed by a graphical representation of a table. So with the help of form, you can simple add, update and delete records in the table by using a form. So a form is a very good option to use when you have numerous fields in a table. So here many fields are available. So with the help of this field, you can simple create a form, and then after you can simple add, update and delete a certain amount of information from the table. So now we will discuss about how can we create a form. So first we will select the all field. So we will press the shift and the arrow key. So first we will select the all field, then after we will go to the create tab. So click this create tab, then after here we will go to the forms growth. So here this one is a form icon, so click this form icon and press this one icon. Then after, the form will be generated from your monitor screen. So this is the procedure for creating a form. Then after, with the help of this form, you can simple add a new record into the database, yeah, delete a record from a database. So many option, yeah, many operation you can simple apply. So here I have already make one more form. So with the help of this form, you can simple create a new entry from a database, yeah, delete a record from a database, and then after save record, undo record and print record. So with the help of these operation you can simple apply and many types of operation. So we will know about how can we apply this type of form buttons into the form. So here we will go to the again forms group. So this is a form. So here I have explain you how can you add the buttons in your database. So simple, first we will go to the this view tab. So here three views option are available: form view, layout view and design view. So first we will discuss about the each view. So first we will know about what is the means of form view. So it allow the user to view and enter the data or information to a form into a table. So with the help of this view you can simple edit the record from a database. So you can simple add a new record, yeah, delete a new record, yeah, update a record. And then after we will discuss about the layout view. So what is the means of layout view? So this view show the form in design mode, but the form is actually running, thus making the data appears in form view, which helps the users to simultaneously view the data while entering the data. So with the help of this view you can simple designing a form, and also you can update a form. Then after we will discuss about the design view. So what is the means of this view? So this view, it is mostly for creating a database, yeah, creating a form. So it shows the user the details structure of the form, where the user can even insert and removing the control of the form. Then after we will discuss about how can we insert a button into the form. So here first we will go to the this view tab, and then after click this design view. Then after scroll down, and then after drag this screen from the downside with the help of mouse. So here the certain space will be given. Then after we will go to the control button, and we will select the this button icon and press this button icon, and then after we will go to the design view tab, here style sheet. So here simple press the left mouse button and drag the mouse from the left to right direction. So here one button will be appear. Then after here, what is the operation you have to apply in this button? So here simple select the particular option. So here simple first we will select go to next record. So here select the go to next record. then after press the next button. Then after here you can simply apply that icon. Yeah, also you have to apply the text. So here I have to select the text. So here the what is the name of button is next record. Then after press the next button. Then after here what is the command. So this is the unique option. Yeah, unique information. So here you have to type the unique information, unique name. So here simple we have to write next record. Then after finish, then the button will be applied in your form window. Then after check this button is working or not, so again we will go to the view tab and select the form view. Then after press this button, so next record will be generated. So here what is the ID is 2, so this is the next record. Then after again press the next record, so again the new record will be generated in your monitor screen. So this is the procedure for creating a form. So thanks for watching this video.